Ooh wee, this look good. Think I got something here, y'all. We gonna see how it tastes. Y'all see that crust on there? All right. Y'all know what time it is. Game day time means that we gotta do chicken wings. Got some party wings here. So I'm going to the grill with them. I'm gonna do something special with them. Use my creativity. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make these smoky, crispy. You're gonna think they fried. And I'm gonna throw a little flair with them. I'm gonna make a brown sugar cinnamon chicken wing. That sounds good. First, what I'm gonna do, dry them off, of course, and then I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator overnight to let these dry out so it help us with the crispiness of it. So we're gonna do that first. So do that, then we're gonna revisit these wings back in the morning, get them seasoned up. And y'all know what we're doing. We on the smoker, baby. Our wings have finished air drying overnight. Look at the texture of them, y'all. Now this is going to really help us with crisping these wings up and making them delicious. So now we just got to get them seasoned up and get on our journey and get on out here on the smoker and make magic. Here's the full recipe for the cinnamon sugar wings. First, let's start off with a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of that Laurel seasoned salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for a little spice. A 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Now add or drizzle 2 tablespoons of your favorite oil. I got avocado oil right here. Let's roll up our sleeves now, and let's get these wings mixed and incorporated and get all this seasoning and covering over here so they be nice and delicious and nice and crispy and flavorful. Okay, now we all set. Now I'm gonna meet y'all outside and we're gonna get these wings on the grill. Is it cold out here, y'all? Yes, it is. This is January 24th, 2026. So this is supposed to be a winter storm that we haven't seen in ages. So it is -3 out here right now. And you got Uncle Darryl out here about to smoke up some meats. Well, I want to do it before the snow comes. Had to go get another lighter. We got some tumbleweed here, y'all, to get our fire started. I got a little more charcoal than I normally use because it is cold out here and we're gonna need this fuel. So I'm expecting that to get hot and fast real quick. It's a B&B charcoal. And we're gonna go with some hickory wood today. Look how good they look. I got the hickory smoke going, y'all. Ooh-wee. We got the smoker hot. I got the smoker now at 350. 350.
Can't wait to bite into one of those.
These though are well, these are wings we charge $30 for these for 8. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna give them about shouldn't take no longer than about 40 minutes. Get a nice golden crisp on the side, and then we're gonna go ahead and flip it. Flip it and dip it. You know what? I'm gonna open up this vent. Probably get it up to about 375, 400 maybe. Time to flip them. Ooh wee. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Oh, we probably taking these off sooner than they think. We probably should go maybe another 20 minutes maybe. Yeah. This look good. Think I got something here, y'all. We're gonna see how it tastes. Y'all see that crust on there? Ooh wee. All right. So I'm gonna give it about what you think, baby? 20, 30 minutes? 25. We want my baby. 25 minutes. All right, 25 minutes. We'll be back. All right, y'all. We let that 20 minutes pass. 25 minutes pass. Oh man, I can't believe that it's looking this crispy like this. You know, smoked. Oh man, come on now. Tried to drizzle them with some hot sauce and honey or something. Oh man, like really jazzed it up. Ooh, hear that crunch, baby? Ooh-wee. All right, let's go eat. Oh man, I'm a little frantic, y'all. I ain't dressed them up yet, but I just want to see how they taste just as we made them.
I hear that crunch.
I think we got something, yo. They good just like that. Ooh,
Oh, shoot.
ooh. Check this out, y'all. I'm gonna step away for a minute. I'm gonna dress them up and make them look real jiggy. Be right back. Switch over here to the mini bowl. Hey y'all, I'm telling you, this is what I'm doing here. This ain't gonna fit. Man. So this is what I'm gonna do, y'all. I gotta have that spice. Boom. Boom. What they been putting on chicken now, baby? They always been putting a little honey on there. A little hot honey. Ooh. Ooh. All right, y'all. I did my thumbnail and everything. Baby, let them see how that look. Ooh-wee. Now, it's time to eat.
Good.
And that's how you cook that wing tender. You gotta take these wings up to like 190, 190, 200 to get them tender like that. See how they just come off the bone? No struggling, baby. And this with the drumette. This ain't even the flat. But enough about that. But check this out. Y'all saw how it was done. This recipe here, it's gonna blow people's minds. You know, hey, it's out there. Hey, somebody may steal my recipe, but hey, I'm pretty sure somebody did this before anyway. But man, this here is, man, it's next level. All right, I'm about to get my eat on. Camera lady, she ready to eat.
Yep.
Dig in on some wings. Y'all enjoy yourself. Peace. As y'all say, baby.